Hello everyone, welcome to my world in Minecraft. This is my house. See, come on, I will give you a tour. Just press W for forward, right click to open the gate, then close the gate. This is my main door. Then, the other one. And the back door. See? This is the first floor of my house. No materials here, no furnitures, because I do not know how to make furnitures yet. This is my storage room. See, I have more materials here. Just right click to open the chest. So that's it. Then close the door. This is my bedroom. My robot. Now let's go up to the second floor. So this is my second floor. No furniture. Let's go to the terrace. Nice view here. And see. Okay. Let's go inside to the other side of here. A little terrace. The other side of the house. Here is a longer terrace. If there's rain, nothing to worry. You don't get wet. So nice view here also. Okay. Oh, the other side of the house. My flower garden over there. Rooftop. I also have flower garden my rooftop of this house. Let's go to the third floor. No furnitures also. No materials in here. The terrace. Oh, no roof. Nice view here, overlooking at my garden over there. Okay, let's go up to my rooftop flower garden. I always close the door. so that I won't forget locking it. So I have lots of flower here. This side, um, I still have to look for flowers to plant in here. I forget the name of these flowers. So let's go down. Down. We're going to my basement. I will show you my basement. First. So here, stairs going down. So this is my basement. As you can see, little falls. Actually, this is seawater. Seawater. Yes. Can you hear the sound? Okay, let's go up. Let's go to my garden outside. Okay. I have animals in here. I have horses, I have pigs. Here, I have oink oink, then horsey horsey. Okay. I have horses here. Chickens. So I think I have to stop. Bye bye for now.